We are hiring for one of CMMI 5-level client role, Technical Support Analyst, location, Pune hybrid, multiple roles open. Be the primary point of contact with business users for service requests and incident management. Provide application and operational support for our systems and applications to our product owners and customers. Monitoring of the applications in the live environment, making sure that they are performing within operational parameters and to take corrective action if they are not. Be responsible for configuration changes and technical updates to any of the contact center systems. Experience 2+ years into experience in using an incident and change management tools such as ServiceNow. Experiences of maintaining and updating systems and Windows servers. Experience in content management tools. If interested, please share CV to Vikrant at iglobal.com. Follow and subscribe to get more open roles.